Have you guys heard of punch needle? It's a mix between embroidery and rug hooking. It's a great hobby for any gender and any age. To do it, punch a threaded needle in and out of a special material called monk's cloth. Hold your punch needle with the same grip as holding a pen. Punch down into the fabric all the way, then lift until the needle can be softly dragged along the fabric to where you will make your next punch. You're probably thinking, is this magic? How do the stitches stay in? All the stitches will press against each other and hold themselves inside the special weave of the monk's cloth. One side of the hoop will have a soft loopy side, like a rug. The other side has more of a flat embroidery look. In order to punch needle, you'll need a few special supplies. This first supply is the punch needle and the yarn threader. The second supply that you'll need is called monk's cloth, which is a fabric that has the right weave count to hold your stitches and keep them in place. Third, you will need a hoop to keep your cloth secure while punching. And of course, you'll need yarn. Once you have all of your supplies, you can start your own punch needle project. You can purchase all the supplies and complete punch needle kits that come with everything you need at freckledfawn.com. Happy crafting!